Hi everyone, welcome back. So let's talk about index numbers. So this is the first section of index numbers, this chapter, and the easiest one. Okay, index numbers. So now it's like a little bit of background of this thing. So index numbers will show how a quantity, let's say a value, change over time. Okay, over a period of time. So for this case, when you say over a period of time, so you're comparing the price now maybe with what, 10 years ago, 20 years ago. So there should be something like a base year with respect to the base year. Okay, because you need to compare with something, right? So like, you know, like people say I'm handsome, it's not because I'm really handsome, it's because there's something like you, there's someone like you who is not that handsome that makes me more handsome. You know, comparison. Just kidding, I'm just saying. Alright? So now price index. What is price index? It shows how the price of something changes over a period of time. Alright, so formulas here. So here with base value, okay, right? So now I is Q1 divided by Q0 times 100. Q1 is the current price or the price at some year with respect to the base year. So this is the value at a specific time. Okay, this is the value at base time. Okay, you multiply 100 because you want to get something like a percent. Okay, all right. Then this one, price index. Okay, so this one also price at 1 divided by price at 0 multiplied by 100. Okay, so here it's about the price. Actually, both of them, they are the same formula. So normally we will be using price. Okay, but sometimes when we talk about quantity, okay, like what's the quantity of this production with respect to the previous years and so on. So that time we will be using Q. But then like it's just P and Q. It's just comparing values with values. It doesn't matter whether it's monetary value or like quantity of the things. Okay, so again this one will be priced at specific time. Let's say 2010. Let's say the base year here is 2000 year 2000. Okay, 2010, 2000. Let's say something like this. Okay, all right. So let me show you an example here. Okay, so I'll just read the question for you. Statistics shows that the number of restaurants in a country dropped from this amount 2007 to an estimated of this amount in 2010. Okay, what is the index for the number of restaurants in 2010? You see, this is a keyword based on the number in 2007. Okay, so you know you are comparing this one based on this one, right? Okay, right? You get this? You are comparing the handsome me with the not handsome you. Okay, so just say. Okay, so you know what to do now? It's very simple. You just take the number of restaurants in the year that you want to know, divide by the base year. Okay, then this is quantity, right? Number. Okay, it could be price and price of teh ice and price of teh ice in a base year like 2007. Then eventually you multiply by 100. Okay, so this one is very simple. I just substitute the numbers inside. Okay, so decrease, right? So it decreases to this one. So I just put it here, and this one is in base year 2007. So I put this number in times 100. Again, the number 89.3. Okay, so this one means like percentage. It means that the number of restaurants in 2010 compared to 2007, the base year here, it was 89.3%. Okay, so that's the percentage, right? So what does it mean? Okay, you can go further to talk about this one. The number of restaurants has decreased by how many percent? 10.7%. How do you get this 10.7%? It's actually 100% minus this 89.3%. So during the 5-year period. Okay, so that's an explanation. And what does this number mean? Price index or this index number. Okay, so that's the meaning of this. No problem with this one, right? Okay, very simple. Great. Yeah, so now I'm gonna do this in the table form. Why? Because most of the time in SPM it will give you a table. Okay, then there will be something like X and Y for you to fill up. Okay, after that, then there will be like further questions to for you to answer. Okay, just pause the video and try this one. I guess no problem for you, right? Very simple. This one. So here, what I meant is that you want this the price index of in this year with respect to this one. This is the base year. Okay. All right. So you want to find X. So you know this one, you know this one. So this one. How do you get S? So X divided by the base year price times 100 will be equals to this index. Okay, price index. Okay, so you know you want to find X, easy. Just move it one side and divide by the number. Okay, so you get 140. So to 1997, it was 80 cents only, the roti telur. Then now 2007, let's say 2007, it's 140. So the price has increased by this much, 75%. Okay, or compared to the previous price, now the price is 175%. Okay, that's what it means. All right, next, I want to find this Y. Based on these two, right? So I take this one divided by this one times 100, I'll get Y. Okay, 2 divided by 1.2 times 100, I'll get 166,202. Okay, great, no problem. So I get this one. Okay, great. So again, same thing here. So I'm doing the same thing. This is the base year. This is the current year. So I just anyhow put the same year. You can have any number here, any year here, the base year. You just need to recognize which one is the base year and so on. Okay, so you are doing this. So first one, I want to know this. So it's 8 divided by 6 times 100. I'll get an answer. Put it here. Then this one will be this one divided by this one times 100. I'll get it here. And this one, next one. This one times divided by x times 100. You get 120. So I solve for x. X is 6167. So you put it here. Then think about it whether it makes sense or not. From small to big. So this one will be more than 100. From big to small, you should expect more than 100 or less than 100. Less than 100. Okay, let's see whether you get it or not. Big from big to small. So small is on top, big is above. Wait, what did I say? Small is on top, big is below. Times 100, you get 82.14. So you put it here. So you see, big to small. This one is a smaller percentage, right? Because it decreases by 17.86%. Okay, and so on. This one increased by 33.33%. Okay, no problem. Great. So it's a very easy lessons. So after this one, you have one more lessons, which is also something like this one, very simple one. Then after that, I'll just do the past year questions with you. All right? Okay, see you next class. Bye-bye.